Hello everybody and welcome back to another Loom Splat video. Today's video is a little bit different to normal because I will be doing a slime setup tour. Now I just did this, I just put the slime here now because I thought you don't really want to be staring at a blank piece of, I don't know, mat. But yeah, let's show you the setup. Right. So the first bit of my setup is the desk or the worktop which I work on or do my videos on, which I've put like a mat down so my slime doesn't go through onto the white table. So yeah, and then I've got some food colouring, some glitter glue and all my different slimes here. I have got more, but those others have dried out and everything, so I don't put them there. These are the only good slimes that I have got. And then I've got like a little sponge here, you know, just to clean off the mat. And then here I have all of my like containers and everything that I use to mix my slime inside. And I've got some pots here that I keep my slime inside. So yeah. And then I've got my light here, which shines directly onto the side of the wall. And yeah, so the top looks like this, and then here I have my table, my chair that I sit on, and then underneath the desk here it's not very bright, so I actually shine the light down to here. Not very good, but it's okay. And then inside here I have my slime ingredients. So as you can see here, I have labelled my box with beads, glue, contact lens solution, shaving foam, shampoo, paint. I can't remember what WL stands for, but never mind. Let's just have a look. Washing up liquid. That's it. If I can get this out. So in here I have my washing up liquid, my contact lens solution, my shaving foam, some glue, some shampoo, some paintbrushes. I don't know why they're in here. Never mind, I can remove them. I have got some beads. I haven't used them in the video yet, but I have actually made some slime with them. I've got some mixing tools here, some shampoo, shower gel and conditioner, and that's it for this shelf. Then down here, you'll probably be able to see easier, I have some more slime ingredients. I have some more mixing tools, I have some glue, I have some more shaving foam. I've got some corn flour back here. It's quite difficult to pull this one out because it's quite big for the actual shelf. I've got some food colouring, some paint. I can just tell you here. I've got some Smiggle stuff, some glitter glue and corn flour. I did have some contact lens solution, but I did run out. So yeah, those are those two shelves. And yeah, that's basically it for my slime studio tour. If you want more of these videos, then remember to subscribe, like and comment if you want more. So yeah, next video will be a slime tutorial, so don't you guys worry about that. Bye!